Hello everyone, how's it going? The purpose of this video is to actually inform you that we have launched our knowledge base, which is basically what you're looking at the moment. This is basically going to be the source of all possible articles, videos, how-tos that we're going to create that will get you up and running with NFTY Dash platform in no time. So we've just started with it. So with the next week or so, you're going to see as much videos as possible. The platform is very straightforward. All you got to do is go to support on NFTY-Dash.io. You'll see the categories that we've created. You can view it in this way. You can view it in that way. And all you got to do is choose a specific category, and you'll see all the articles that have been written on that particular category. You click on one, and you'll read more about it. In that case, we've actually uploaded the video done by Liam, NFT Zerk, when it comes to the whitelist and public mints. And that's pretty much how straightforward the platform is. And again, if you have any questions, concerns, ideas whatsoever, please reach out to us on Discord, create a ticket, tag me. My handle is NFT Maniac or anybody else from the team, and we'll take care of your request. So without further ado, let's get things up and running and share with you as much videos as possible. Take care, guys.